guys, just a little update here on the raised beds. It snowed a little bit today, so we obviously planted too soon. You can still see some of the snow here, hasn't melted off. But this was my solution. I got at one of these greenhouses, these temporary kind of throw them up greenhouses out here, and it's worked out perfectly. It fits over top of my raised beds really nicely. I got some bags of sand here, just kind of helping hold it down along with the tie downs, because these things blow away real easy. But we got a pretty good snowfall, stuck on the ground for a while too, and we're all good, all still good in there. And I went ahead and took what plants I still have that I haven't planted in the ground yet. I took them and just put them in the garage. And then I brought them outside for a little while today to get some sun. But pretty much all the snow's melted back again now. That's just crazy. Have some snowfall in the middle of, and almost the end of April. But that happens sometimes. I did the same thing last year, planted too soon. But I think it's going to work out a lot better this year. Last year I threw some plastic over top of them, and I lost a couple plants to the frost. And then I think it really stunted some of my plants too. But I didn't plant in a good spot either last year, and I think I'm just going to be a lot better this year. So obviously the chickens don't mind the snow. Their whole run's covered and everything. But I was a little bit worried about the babies, but everybody seems to be doing good as far as that goes. Hola, mama. I gave them some more bedding. Just in case. Another thing too is all the rocks here are working out really good. Everything's really draining off good. The only issue is that the chickens are digging all the rocks out. Let me show you. Bag it, chickens. It was funny yesterday. They could tell the storm was coming because this time yesterday they were already all asleep. You guys got water? Yeah, getting a little low. So I moved their food and water over here to this side, and I got their dust bath and their food containers. So all this stays real dry in here, and pretty much no matter what, for the most part. And where I'm standing here is usually wet. So I kind of built this up a little bit. I took and dug a trench all the way down through here, and then took all the dirt and kind of built it up on this side. And for the most part, it's worked out really well. I still got a big mound right here, kind of need to kind of press that over. But like I was gonna say, the only thing is the chickens are digging all this out. All these rocks used to be over here. They used to be all in this trench. I need to get this out of here. This is garbage. But yeah, so this trench was full to the top, and they've literally kicked all these rocks out of there. So I don't know. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is get some more rocks. They haven't done it really down here, but it's draining off really nicely now, I think. So I dug it out all the way up and all the way to there, and it's dug out a little bit further down, and it really seems to be helping drain everything off. And I've used river rock, which is like real smooth. This rock's pretty smooth. It's not like regular gravel. because I was kind of worried about the chickens cutting their feet on it and stuff, being too rough on their feet. But they obviously just love kicking it around. So what I'm thinking is I'll leave this dirt, because like I said, everything on this side of the coop, it stays dry. It does get wet under here, but it drains off real well, and it all comes down and drains off down through here. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to get some more bags of rocks, and I'm just going to put rock all in this whole area right here. Just put rock all through here and all up this walkway. And so this is just always going to be gravel, and I won't have to worry about my footing or anything. And then possibly move the food back over to here on this side somewhere. That way they don't kick all these rocks out of here. And then I can still fill their feeder and their water from this side. So I think that'll work out really well. So that's the plan. Buy some more rocks. Do that. Because they seem to like it. Doesn't seem to bother them. And it seems to be draining off a lot better, honestly, with this setup. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I guess I'll show you the other babies. I just wanted to give a little update on my plants and show you the chickens, make sure everybody's still doing good. Oh, we got an egg. Thank you. And we got our other mama. I can get the door open. Mama! She's doing good. And we're able to just leave the, we're able to just open this up and leave it open for them most of the day, because the babies have figured out they can get up and down the ladder now. They're big enough, and they're starting to get their wing feathers and all that. So there's that. So yeah, guys, unfortunately we had a good snow, but it melted off as quick as it came down, so it didn't hurt us too bad. Hola, Esmeralda. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, Esmeralda? So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this one. So if you like the chicken videos and you like the gardening videos, hopefully I'll have some more of those out soon, and we can get the clearer weather and start doing some more planting and gardening outside and working on chickens, and our baby chickens can get outside and run around more. So anyway, guys, if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.